Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon. Yeah, Polygon had a decent day today, nothing major. I would have loved to see a little bit more price action from Polygon because overall it's just ranging sideways, unfortunately. So we haven't got any clear confirmation that a lasting low has been established. But yesterday, in my update yesterday, I can't remember, did I make a video or not? I don't know, but I made an update on our Discord server for our gold members. And I think the price was down here pretty much. And I highlighted, look, this is the last opportunity for the bulls to turn up, to turn this around. Because any sustained break below the 78.6 retracement here at 43.2 cents would likely lead to invalidation of the bullish 1-2 setup. Yeah, why is this important? Because any 1-2 setup will likely be invalidated if there is a break below the 78.6 fib level. It won't be invalidated necessarily, but likely. Okay, it's very likely. So therefore, it's important to understand the difference between support and invalidation. The invalidation point for such an upside setup, which is this 1-2 setup where the wave 1 indicates the direction of the trend and the wave 2 is simply correcting the wave 1. The invalidation point is the beginning of the wave 1. So here we talk about 41.2 cents. Yeah? This is the formal invalidation point highlighted in red. And you can see we're still comfortably above it. But obviously we came quite close to breaking support, which is not a big deal because it wasn't broken. And now the question is, what next, right? So it's important to recognize that if the wave 2 really bottomed, then wave 3 should reach at least 59.7 cents. Again, it's the 100%, the 138% extension. And that level is typically an ideal target, a first ideal target for a third wave. Haven't reached it yet, okay? But what I can tell you is that this here looks really nice. Actually, it looks nicely like a 1-2 setup. So we had the wave 1, which is potentially impulsive. And then the wave 2 as a flat correction where we saw the initial element of the correction, which we label wave A. That is the swing low that bottomed around the 21st of December. That was around 45.2 cents. Then we had a B wave corrective bounce, which topped around the 24th of December. And the C wave down next, which bottomed on the 1st of January. Yeah, just reading, just confused. Is it 2025? Yeah. So that's a nice ABC structure. And it's a so-called expanded flat. In an expanded flat structure, the C wave and the A wave, they typically have a Fibonacci relationship. So typically, one of the important fib levels between the 100% and the 161.8 extension is reached. In this case, it was the 150% extension at 43 cents. And the 78.6 retracement. There are two ways of measuring these targets. So now, okay, we could say maybe this looks potentially impulsive. I mean, maybe. You know, the way to go here for the bulls would be to form another 5-wave move up in what would be this. Let me think. Yeah, what would be this third wave? So it would be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5. This is what I would love to see next. It would be important now that the bulls don't let the price break below the Wednesday low anymore. And that was again at around 43.2 cents. So we could be in an internal wave 2 pullback. That could be wave 2 of 3. I mean, I could add, another layer of fib levels here if you're interested. I mean, this here is probably the most important zone on the chart. I will remove the upper sections because then I can add another area there. It's just important that, that we don't see the price break below that 78.6 fib level. At least we don't want a sustained break. Okay, so if this is another 1-2 setup just on the micro level, it would be ideal if the price could hold above 44.6 cents. Any break below would likely lead to a retest or reset of this larger wave 2, but the problem then is at the same time there isn't really, it's running out of space, right? So yeah, that means this is now probably the next pullback could be what we need. the info, we could get the information that we need to determine if the bulls are going to be successful or if they're going to fail. So that pullback is key now. Hope you liked the update about Polygon. Sorry, that was the mic. Hope you liked the update about Polygon. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.